We have the 2020 Mark V Toyota Supra Turbo and the Lamborghini Gallardo. Update on the Pandem Rocket Bunny wide body kit. Today is Tuesday. Installation should start on Monday of next week. Lamborghini Toyota 2020 2006 5-liter 3-liter single turbo, no turbos, 520 horsepower, 335 horsepower, automatic transmission, manual transmission, all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, Mexico, BMW versus Audi. Wait, no, Lamborghini versus Toyota. Yeah.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
You know what the retail is on one of these, right?
It doesn't matter, you bought it. It's not mine.
Bro,
it's not mine.
He has a history of crashing into crowds and walls. He drives a GT350 and we're headed to Mexico. I want the Lambo to beat that Supra, mainly because the Burlacker's driving it and I just couldn't deal with his smuggery. I just couldn't handle it. Ooh. It's about 9.5 hours to Guadalajara where we're headed for this very competitive race. I'm not gonna bore you with a bunch of B-roll nonsense, so I will see you in 9.5 hours. Yeah. It is a beautiful, beautiful crisp day here in Guadalajara, Mexico. We got the Guadalupe Mountains up there, we got Mount Hidalgo right there, and the Saguaro National Forest out there in the distance.
Making that up.
What's up, bro? No, you did. Why are you doing me like that? I do need to take a moment and apologize. We tried to get a professional driver. I reached out to Lewis Hamilton. He's in like Kuala Lumpur or Hong Kong or Singapore. I don't know, he's got some big race this weekend. I don't know, in Singapore, I think. We tried to get a professional driver, but unfortunately, he was the best we could find, so not really fair for the Supra. We really do need the driver mod. What?
I got my race shoes.
Race
red.
Dude.
I'm ready.
They're like paint to sample to match the Supra. I like that.
And I'm trying to reduce weight as much as possible so my hoodie doesn't even have
What
sleeves.
are you talking about?
It doesn't even have sleeves.
This guy, he's wearing a
matters.
hoodie without sleeves, and you make fun of me for my $9 shorts.
I couldn't afford sleeves. They were, you know.
The Gallardo has 520 horsepower. The Supra's 335, but I would reckon the Gallardo probably weighs more. Burlacker's doing some investigating. What do we have?
4,000.
4,001 pound?
Yeah.
I think the Gallardo's less than that. Wow. How is that possible? So the Gallardo is 3968. So this is 30 pounds lighter, and you're driving that, and I'm driving this.
So you have 130 pounds on me.
Yes, that's what we needed, boys. Yes. The problem is, I have never lost to the Burlacker in anything whatsoever, whether it's a food eating contest, 3-point contest, dunk contest, racing the Lamborghini Gallardo against the Audi R8. I smoked him in the Gallardo. Yeah, I had 100 horsepower over, but that doesn't matter. We raced the Supra in the GT350. I embarrassed him, honestly. But today, something's got to give because the Supra's never lost, and I've never lost, but I'm driving the Gallardo, and this man is driving the Supra. I just don't know if I can take it. Like, if you defeat me, I'm never gonna live that down.
To circle back, first off, you have lost to me in certain things like 3-point contests and so forth.
He's not wrong.
Yeah, I'm not wrong. Cat's crying, baby's crying, rump roasting, bun toasting. Thank you, Wham Bam. I am jam.
Burlacker has never used launch control on the Supra, so sport mode on, traction control off, mash the brake, mash the throttle, let off on the brake. Full send. Dude, bro. Come on, Burlacker. He's leaving before the third honk. Yeah, bring it back. Bring it back. What was that, bro? You're taking off. You haven't even honked 3 times.
I didn't think anyone would know.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I short shifted. Come on, Gallardo. Go. Garbage, that is garbage. Oh. This is it. This is the last opportunity for the Gallardo to achieve glory. Come on. the brake. That was my best one off the line. The Gallardo was so close, but that Supra's still quicker. That car is so fast. You know what we need? We need a V12. I'd like to apologize to all of you guys. I'd like to apologize to my mom and dad. I've embarrassed myself. I embarrassed Lamborghini, and I made BMW look like a world champion. Are you kidding me? Oh, not this guy. Oh, look at that smug smile.
I'm a BMW driver. I knew what to do. It's a BMW.
Bro.
Right at home. It feels good to win though, right here. No, yeah.
To all the Lamborghini executives watching today's video, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I love you, but it's time to head back home to America.
Hey, you know, this would be a good time for you to clear out the garage because we're getting the floor done like ASAP, like this week, and we need to clean it up. So if you could help out, appreciate it.